Hello traders, welcome back to my channel Stock Market with Roshan. So let's see what can happen tomorrow and how should we plan our trades. This is my watch list for tomorrow. Nifty, Bank Nifty will always be there. Reliance, Bajaj Finance and JBL Food, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Bajaj Auto, and few more auto stocks for tomorrow. So let's see first Nifty. So you might have seen this chart I shared earlier. So my view says that if the global market will be positive, then we might see a good movement above 11,968.70 or 75. If it breaks that decisively within 30 minutes of opening, then we will be able to see 1220 and beyond that, and maybe positionally we might see these targets coming 12,100 as well in few days, and then we might see some correction or retracement, what we see, or profit booking you can say. So if it start reversing from any of these levels, then we might see 11,800 again and maybe beyond that as well. But my view says that it will take a halt here and it should retrace a bit. Okay, so that's Nifty. Let's check Bank Nifty. Sorry about these lines earlier. Let me remove them. Just give me a second. Okay, so this is daily chart. You can see a red candle at the top. So that shows slight bearishness for tomorrow. And why I should say that, because if you see it in 15 minutes, then it has been taking support of this trend line for few days, and if it breaks that, if it breaks below this 400, then my target would be 275, 250 to 24 130 as well. So keep that in mind traders. And yeah, it is not impossible that it can't give upper movement. So if you see like this, then it has good potential to touch these lines, right? It does have fair chance of breaking these lines, but I will say that we will see good upside movement if it holds above 24,600 for 30 odd minutes or 45 minutes first. Then we might see these levels coming 750 to 800, and if it breaks this, then on downside 24,100. Let's check some stocks now. First will be Reliance. So Reliance, this is 15-minute chart. I have shared a harmonics chart as well. So in my view, if Reliance breaks this trend line, then we might see further upside on this, and the targets would be 2150. Only thing, it should not trade below this. If it trades below this, then we are going towards 2070 as well. So keep both levels in your mind. We should not be biased in the current market situation. Okay, so next is Bajaj Finance. I said that it will give a good breakout above 3250, and you can see 3350 has been achieved. But what we see now, a good fall. It was not able to sustain at the upper levels and it fallen. So if it trades below 3300, then we can see 3250 again. If it trades above 3350, then we might be able to see 3380 and 3400 as well. And yeah, you might be having one question like what should we do in between. So you should wait for some price action pattern to get formed. Okay, JBL Food. So JBL Food, I said earlier that it might retrace a bit, and it was just a retracement. So now this level, which was earlier a support, good support breakdown, it acted as a resistance. So if it doesn't cross that, then we might see further fall, or if it breaks that, then we might be able to see these levels coming. Okay, so keep both levels in this as well. Another one is HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, I shared one chart earlier. See, this is hourly chart. If you see, this is at a good resistance. This is a trend line resistance, and this was earlier top, and this is second top. Now if you see RSI, then it is diverging. See here, it is diverging, dipping when the price is moving up. So this is a sign of weakness. If it doesn't cross this level 2140, 2150 decisively, then we might see some correction, and there is a small gap here. So my first target would be 1200. Let's check last few. ICICI Bank, same pattern and divergence as well. If you see, if you see here, a fresh high, right? But at the same time RSI is dipping. So if it doesn't go above this high 420, if it doesn't break 420 decisively, then we are going to come towards these levels. We might see reversal from here to 400 odd levels. So keep that in mind, traders. Bajaj Auto, if you see it in 1 hour or in daily chart, then you can see it is holding a lot at these levels. See here, it tried to break out, wasn't able to break out, tried again, failed, retested the support, almost tried again, retested the support again, but making higher lows, again higher low. So if it trades above 3088, then we might see a fresh breakout towards 3150 or even beyond that. So keep that in mind, traders. It is at a good level, and it's showing good strength from some time. It didn't broke below 2800, and it is consolidating here, so maybe a fresh breakout possible. So that's it for this week, friends. I hope it will help you in trading. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share if you like my videos.